gonna smash it off.
Boom, boom, boom.
Now I'm a monster. I'm a monster. Looks like I'm Monster Jam smashing holler, where monster trucks Hot Wheels make their own way. Let's make castles. Hey, Mommy, let's make castles around the stadium. Hey, Daddy, what about we make castles around a tent? Why don't we put castles around our tent?
Womp, womp, womp. Can you smash that, Cash? Can you smash it with your monster trucks? Oh, with your foot. Oh, Cash. Smash. Cash. Smash. Cash. Smash. Smash. A day at the beach. Wow. That was a beautiful, magnificent jump. A big jump. You got a lot of air. You caught a lot of air in that jump, Cash. Yeah.
That was a good jump?
That was an awesome jump. Boom.
That was a double jump.
Cash, let's run to the water. Let's go.
To the water.
Okay.
Look like we were 5 seconds. Look like I went a 5 seconds. Look like we both went 4 fast.
3 pounds. Boom. 5.
5. We got sand. Actually, I got sand on my hands.
Hold on, Cash. What is that?
A helicopter.
A helicopter.
What kind of helicopter
It is a private helicopter.
is it? A pilot helicopter.
Yeah.
Look, the birds will land.
Don't scare the birds away. They'll fly away. Run up on them. Run, run, run. Yeah. They just fly away.
It's fly away from my voice. And why birds don't fly away with my voice?
Because they're scared.
I'm scared.
mean business.
Maybe we got some like ducks. Daddy, you got
Cash, can you count to 10 for me?
1,
Yes.
2,
Yes.
3,
Yes.
4,
Yes.
5,
Yes.
6, 7.
Thank you, Cash. We'll try this line again.
I was trying to get him to be right here.
Cash, right here. Get him, spare the bird. Come here, Cash. Look, he's coming back, Cash. Come to me. Right there. You want that food that's right there in that sand. You see the food that's in the sand? Look, to your left. Your other left.
Turn around. Behind you. The bread. You see the bread? I threw that bread.
Now watch he come. He's gonna come eat the bread. Step back. Step back. Step back. He'll be here in a second. Just give him a second.
How's your day going at the beach, Cash? Good. That's called a pigeon.
What pigeon?
A pigeon. It's a type of bird.
He ate it. Hey, Mommy, I saw that bird. Mommy, I saw that bird just move.
You
When
came
Mommy
and took
got
it?
finished, I took it.
Oh, he took it? Okay.
Yeah, he was like, hum! And then fly away from me. Hot Wheels Beach! Make a sand castle round, make a monster truck smash. Next, the fish. Wait. I'm looking around our monster truck stadium. Then I'm looking around our monster truck stadium. Thanks. Scoopy, scoopy, scoopy.
Come back here, Cash.
Mommy? fingers.
Push it out. Stick your hand in the inside. Inside. Yeah, inside and push it. Inside and push it out like this.
Fingers.
No, you gotta put it inside, baby. Inside. Push it out.
Right there's the chair. Oh, I'm tired. How's your face?
Get to
Oh. Oh. Look at that cashew dry. It scoops, and it scoops, and it dumps, and it dumps. And it scoops, and it scoops, and it dumps.
Cassie, come here right quick. No. Hold it so it don't fly.
I'm pouring it in my bucket.
Until next time. Until next time. See you later, everybody.
See you everybody. Till next time. Hot Wheels. Beach.
And Cash.
Smash. Hot Wheels. Beach.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, shovels.